Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and fitment video of the OEDRO molded floor mats for my 2017 Toyota Tacoma double cab. Let's jump on into it. Alright, so let's see what we got. Alright, initial impressions, they look pretty nice. I've never owned WeatherTechs. I have family members who do. My sister has WeatherTechs in her car. And I would say these are actually a little bit more flexible than the WeatherTechs, which I prefer. That's our rear. Here's our passenger side and our driver's side. Comes with an instruction manual, and it looks like a couple spare locking keys. Alright, let's see how they fit. Alright, so here's the driver's side. Yeah, fitment looks pretty spot on. I'm liking that. All right, so again, here's the driver's side, just to give you guys a little bit better look at it. Fit is pretty solid. All right, here's the passenger side. So one thing, I don't know if I'm worried about it, and it's definitely not the fault of OEDRO. The factory floor mats almost have a tackiness to the bottom that the OEDROs do not. I mean, neither do the WeatherTechs or the Huskies, for that matter. But it's just something to think about. If it does start sliding around, I'll probably just throw a little bit of sticky Velcro on the bottom of the floor mat, and that should take care of it. It's pretty solid in place. We may not even have that issue. I guess it depends on how much the person riding on the passenger side kicks it around. We'll just jump in there and take a little bit closer look. And please pardon the mess in the back of my truck, but and the rears fit in really well. I'll get you guys in a little bit closer. Great fitment. Alright, so again, I've never owned WeatherTechs or Huskies or any molded floor mats for that matter. First impressions are great. They fit great, they look great. I'm pleased that they're a little bit more flexible than the WeatherTechs. And we'll see how they run, and I'll get back with you guys and let you know how I like them.